Okay, just going to do a quick unboxing today, and this is the Maniology, let me get the name right, the 5-piece Night Forest nail stamping bundle. Its regular price is $32. It was down to $28 on the site and is currently sold out. Hopefully they will make more, but I wanted to share it with you anyways. So in this we have 2 stamping plates. The first one is M75. And that one is called, gotta look on the side here, that one is called Harvest Bloom. So you can see, if we can try and not get the glare on there, it's got, you know, just different foliage for fall. The second one is called Cozy Campfire, and that's M76. And it's got all sorts of neat things. We got some pumpkins, some acorns and squirrels. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna have to play with this. Some, you know, coffee, and it's probably, you know, orange to make spiced orange. But it says fall in love, and it's got a deer and some leaves. So I think that's gonna be really cute, and it is a layering stamping plate. It's got some layered images. The other thing that came in this wonderful canvas bag, which I will reuse when I do my giveaways, is 3 stamping polishes. This is the Night Forest stamping polish bundle, and it came with the kit. And the first color I'm going to show you is Sequoia, which is a taupe, and then Pine, which is an emerald green. I don't know if you can see that color really well. There we go. And then this is Dusk, and it's a dark blue. So I'm going to give those a swatch after I clear off some nails. Not sure which hand I'm going to clear off. I actually plan to clear off both. So I guess we'll just go, and I'm going to take my current fall manicure off and put on a fall manicure using this. I still might do a white base just to show the polishes, but I will do the polishes one at a time as well. Alright, so what I'm going to do, now that I've got all this here, is I'm going to paint my index finger white to test. So this is my white, Bam White from Maniology, and I'm putting this over my favorite base coat. Base coats are a personal thing. Just always use one, please. But base coats are a personal thing. Some work for some people and some don't work for some people. I do best with China Glaze, or Zoya, so I tend to stick with those. I'm using my China Glaze because it's a little bit more stain blocking, and I stain really easy, and that just doesn't look so good when you're trying to do, what am I trying to say? When you're trying to do swatch videos. You see I got a little bit stained there, but oh well. Alright, so on my middle finger, I'm going to put the taupe color, which is called Sequoia. Actually quite nice. It looks a lot like one of their other ones though. So, you know, some of these dupes, I'm probably keeping the newer ones, and will probably either give away or sell off some of my other ones. Okay, so this is Pine. I'm just going to put it on my pinky because that is not a finger that I do swatches on normally. So oh yeah, let's just color our finger. I'll be taking that off in a minute. With my brush, this is the blue called Dusk. And of course this is stamping polish, so it is a bit thicker. I'm only going to do 1 coat. If you want to do more than one, you are more than welcome. I also normally, when I stamp, will throw on top coat first, but I'm just doing a quick, you know, play with it, and figure stamping polish on stamping polish, I should be fine. Should be fine, yeah. So then I'm also going to follow up, so I'm not going to worry about the mess I made there, with some Mani mask. I have oiled around my fingers, so that should keep it from sticking to my hands. If they're too cleaned off your skin, then this Mani mask sticks on and doesn't peel off really nice. So I'm gonna just finish doing that, just putting it around my cuticles. This is the latex-free version of, well, liquid latex. Anyways, I'm gonna do that, let everything dry, and then come back to stamp. Okay, so now time to stamp. And I have everything over here, it's just with the camera, I lose a little bit of room. So I've got my stamper, my ice cube stamper. Those are my favorite, not everybody else's. I have this so that I can clean off my stamper. Don't know if you don't know about the sticky stamper station. I love these. I might have my camera a little too close, but anyways, let me just zoom out a little. Oops, no mind. Just so you can see more of what I'm doing, and then to get close-ups, I'll try and remember to get close-ups. Okay, so this one has the, camping and some other little things. This one is all foliage. I haven't quite figured out what I want to do yet. Okay, I'm going to use Fall in Love on my middle finger on the taupe because I think everything's going to show up on that. So I'm just going to take a bit of, and sorry, it's my way, not yours. Take a bit of stamping polish, do a scrape. That's why I have paper towel down. Roll, and we're going to fall in love. And there. So I didn't actually need to use Mani Mask on that one, but I did. And then we'll just try and peel it off. I'm having issues lately just because I don't think I'm moisturizing enough, and my air conditioning is taking all the moisture out of the air to begin with, so it's kind of like a double-edged sword. We have central air and it's still on. Yes, it is still on, even though it's a cool day, just to keep me from overheating. Okay, so that worked out pretty cute. Now I want to see how the taupe stamps on the other ones, and you know what I might do is take this, I will do a layered, is take this one here and use the taupe as the base and then layer on top. I will probably outline, I don't know what I'll outline, or if I'll outline, or I could just use this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do a, see, just change your mind all the time. Some people plan these things, but this is just a quick try on for me, so it's not even gonna stay on my nails. I'm taking this off almost right away. Too funny. Okay, we'll do that. Roll, and let's try it on there. Oh, that showed up really pretty on there. That was nice. So yes, I still got some stamping polish on there, but it's easier to clean up than around the top of your finger. It's also way easier to hide than when you get it all over your finger if you can't get it all off. I really hope that when I see the ophthalmologist in a few months that he decides to fix my cataract, because I would really like to see when the lights are on so I can see what I'm doing when I film my videos. I'll get the rest of that off after. Usually it peels up better for me, so I'm actually kind of, I just put my scraping card. Usually I have my sticky stamper station out of the way, and you know what? We should really stick with what we know. Alright, I'll just put that over there where it belongs. And then I have some more space. What do you know? Alright, so I do want to clean this off. Always clean your plates with pure acetone. That's the best. And because I'm not wearing any nail polish on the other hand yet. And yeah, that was a polish that stained through even my doesn't stain stuff. That was a little disappointing. So I do want to try this one out too, because I do want to play with the layeredness, don't we? I'll just put this leaf on there. You don't have to layer layered images. They're just there to help you, make such pretty things. So let's just take that. Oh, and there's something on there I don't want. Well, I forgot to get a piece of tape ready. And then just press that maple leaf on my pinky. Perfect. Really sad. See, it does peel off. When I'm not filming, this stuff peels off like a dream. The moment I turn that camera on, I can't get Mani Mask off me for the life of me. Now I wanted to do something a little different on one of my other fingers, well, one of the white ones, and I wanted to play with using all 3 colors and then outlining in black. So I'm going to do that on this one. So what I decided I was going to do is take, so you won't see all 3 colors on mine because, so maybe I'll just do 2. Yeah, let's do 2. Oh, and then outline it in blue just for something different. Now because I dipped that in the green, I'm just going to wipe that off on my paper towel. And then I'm going to scrape this way, grab my stamper and roll. Oh, that's neat. And then where it's both colors, stick that on there, clean off my stamper, then go into that with the blue. I don't know why the blue, I just wanted to do the blue. Do we ever have to know why we want to do something? I just think we're going with the flow. And then we'll go like that. And that one goes there. This is where my cataract really shows. I don't line my layering up very well. Oh well. We'll just go with it. So still quite a bit to take off with the cleanup brush, but that's my own fault. Okay, so here we have the finished try out. I definitely did better with my layering there. These plates are really cute. I love the images. I'm really glad I got them, and when I'm not feeling so unwell and can see a little better, I know I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. Definitely going to create some cute fall manicures. I think as a base I would use a lighter taupe and then do these colors over top, and I think they would be stunning. Okay, well, I hope that you enjoyed me absolutely messing up by trying out this cute little kit from Maniology. And please, if you haven't already, go down and hit that like button as well as subscribe. And hit that post notification bell so you can find out when I upload a new video. I am hoping to be a little more consistent. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.